Hi there. Welcome to Mathematics Alive, Algebra Lesson 35, Consumer Problems. And we have problem number 1. Tickets for a school concert were sold for 50 pesos for adults and 25 pesos for children below 13 years old. If 200 tickets were sold with cash receipts of 8,250 pesos, how many adults and how many children tickets were sold? Let X be the number of adult tickets and let Y be the number of children tickets. Then, for equation number 1, we have 200 tickets were sold, so we just add the number of tickets. We add X plus Y equals 200 tickets. And then, there is a cash receipt of 8,250 pesos. So we will have an equation for the cost of the tickets. So we have the cost of adult tickets is 50 pesos multiplied by the number of tickets plus the cost of children tickets, 25 pesos, multiplied by the number of children tickets. So the total cash receipts is 8,250 pesos. Then, we can use substitution method for this problem, and we will solve for y in terms of x in equation 1. So y is equal to 200 minus x. And substitute this value in equation 2. So we have 50x plus 25, then 200 minus x for the value of y is equal to 8,250. And then we simplify and solve for x. So just copy 50x plus 5,000 minus 25x equals 8,250. And then we subtract 50 and 25. So we have 25x equals 8,250 minus 5,000. So we have 25x is equal to 3,250. Then divide both sides by 25. So x is equal to 130. And then we will substitute this value to equation 1. So this equation, we have y is equal to 200 minus x, 130. So y is equal to 70. So you have to check this. Check. we'll be using this equation. So x is 130 plus y is 70 equals 200. 200 equals 200. Check. So we got x, the number of adult tickets is 130, and the number of children tickets is 70. Problem number 2. Mr. Almeria is planning to buy notebooks for his children. If he buys 5 big notebooks and 10 small notebooks, it will cost him 155 pesos. If he buys 10 big notebooks and 5 small ones, it will cost him 190 pesos. How much does each notebook cost? So we let x be the cost of a big notebook, and we let y be the cost of a small notebook. Then we will represent this sentence with an equation. If he buys 5 big notebooks, so the 5 notebooks will be multiplied by the cost, 5x, and then 10 small notebooks, so 10 times y. It will cost him 155 pesos. And then, if he buys 10 big notebooks, so 10x, plus 5 smaller notebooks, 5y, it will cost him 190 pesos. So, we will eliminate one of the variables and let us eliminate y. To eliminate y, we have 10 here and 5 here, and the LCM is 10. So, one of the coefficients should be negative 10 to eliminate the variable y. So, we will multiply equation 2 by negative 2. So, negative 2 times equation 2 times negative 2. So, negative 20x, then negative 10y is equal to negative 380. And then, we'll just bring down the equation 1. Copy equation 1. 5x plus 10y equals 155. Then, we add both sides. So, this is 0 and this is negative 15. 15x equals, so negative 380 plus 155. So, we have negative 225. Divide both sides by 15. Negative 15 so x is equal to 15 pesos. And then we will substitute the value of x to any of the two equations. And let's use equation 1. So, 5 times the value 15 plus 10y is equal to 155. So, 5 times 15 is 75 plus 10y equals 155. Then, Then y is equal to 155 minus 75. So, then y is equal to minus 580. Divide by 10 on both sides. So, y is equal to 8 pesos. Then, we can check. And we can use this equation, equation 2. So 10 times x plus 5 times y equals 190. 150 plus 40 equals 190. So 190 is equal to 190. We got the correct answers. The value of, or the cost of a big notebook is 15 pesos, and the cost of a small notebook is 8 pesos. Problem number 3. At Lavadami Laundry Shop, 6 shirts and 5 pants cost 120 pesos, while 8 shirts and 4 pants cost 120 pesos. Find the cost of laundering each piece of shirt and pants. So we let X be the cost of washing one shirt. And then we let Y be the cost of washing a pair of pants. And we represent this problem with two equations. Equation 1, 6 shirts. So we multiply 6 times the cost of washing a shirt, 6x, plus 5 pants. We multiply 5 times Y is equal to 120. And also 8 shirts, 8x, and 4 pants, 4y, is equal to 120. And we will eliminate one variable. Let's eliminate here the variable y. And we have here 5 and 4. So we have to get the LCM of 5 and 4. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So the coefficient of y should be positive 20 and negative 20. So we will multiply equation 1 with positive 4 and equation 2 with negative 5. Equation 1 times 4 and equation 2 times negative 5. So 4 times 6 is 24x, and then 4 times 5 is positive 20y. Then 4 times 120 is 480. Then negative 5 times 8 is negative 40x. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20y. And negative 5 times 120 is negative 600. Then we add the two equations, and we have negative 16x. This is 0. And then it's equal to negative 600 minus 480, negative 120. And divide both sides by negative 16. We have x is equal to 7 pesos and 50 centavos. And then we will substitute this to an equation here, any of the two equations. We have equation 1. Substituting 750 to x, 6 times 750 plus 5y equals 120. So 6 times 30, so we have 42, 45. And then plus 5y is equal to 120. 5y is equal to 120 minus 45. 5y equals 120 minus, so that's equal to 75. Then divide by 5. So y is equal to 15 pesos. Then we will check it. So check in equation 2. So we have 8 times 750 plus equation 2, 4 times 15 is equal to 120. So we have 120 and 8 times 750. So we have 0, 40, 8 times 7, 56, 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. So 120 equals 120. Okay, so we got the correct answer. Our cost of laundering a shirt is $7.50 and the cost of laundering a pair of pants is 15 pesos. For our last problem, problem number 4. At Corey's fruit stand, 6 apples and 5 oranges cost 120 pesos, while 5 apples and 6 oranges cost 122 pesos. How much does each fruit cost? So we let X be the cost of an apple and Y be the cost of 1 orange. And then we represent the equation with the cost, 6 times the cost of 1 apple plus 5 oranges times the cost of an orange. Y is equal to 120 pesos. And the same with equation 2. And then we eliminate here a variable. And let's try eliminating X. We have 6 and 5, so we get the LCM of 6 and 5. So the LCM of 5 and 6 is equal to 30. So we will make the coefficient of x here as positive 30 and negative 30. To make this positive 30, we multiply equation 1 by 5, and here we multiply equation 2 by negative 6. So 5 times equation 1 and negative 6 times equation 2. So 5 times 6, 30x plus 25y is equal to 5 times 120 is equal to 600, and then negative 6 times 6, this negative 6 times equation 2, so we have negative 30, then negative 6 times 6 is negative 36y, and negative 6 times 122 is 732 negative. Then adding the two equations, we have 0 here, and then negative 11 y is equal to negative 132. Dividing both sides by negative 11, we have so y is equal to 12 pesos. So we substitute y is equal to 12 in equation 1. Solve for x. So 6x plus 5 times 12 is equal to 120. 6x plus 60 equals 120. 6x is equal to 120 minus 60. So we have 60. 6x divided by 6. X is equal to 10 pesos. So checking. Let's use equation 2. Equation 2, we have 5 times x plus 6 times y equals 122. So 50 plus 6 times 12, 72 is 132. 132 equals 132. Check. So our values are, for the cost of orange, we have 12 pesos. And for the cost of an apple, we have 10 pesos. If you find this lesson helpful, please share it to your friends, like it, and subscribe to this channel by clicking the button below. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.